everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Aglasem Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation. So starting with the second and the rest of the question, that is question number 4, which says which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent and inconsistent? If consistent, obtain it graphically. So first part says x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So here a1 divided by a2 is equals to 1 by 2 and b1 divided by b2 is equals to 1 by 2 and c1 divided by c2 is equals to 5.10. That will give you 1 by 2. It means they are consistent, that is they are all are equal. For three solutions of each equation, we have x as 4, 3, 2, y as 1, 2, 3. So here is a graph in front of you guys. You can see it very clearly that x-axis is here and x dash axis is here, y dash axis is here and y axis is here. So we have plotted the points, that is 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 and x plus y is equals to 5. So here we have taken 0 and on x-axis we have taken 4 and on y-axis we have taken 1. Further, on x-axis we have taken 3 and on y-axis we have taken 2. On x-axis we have taken 2 and on y-axis we have taken 3. So we can draw a line and this is a graph. From second equation we get x is equal to 10 minus 2y divided by 2, which will give you x as 4, 3, 2 and y as 1, 2, 3. Second part says x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So again a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by minus 3, that will give you 1 by 3, and again c1 upon c2 is equal to 8 upon 16, which will give you 1 by 2. So here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but they are not equals to c1 upon c2. So pair of linear equation are inconsistent. Moving to our third part, which says 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again solving it by the same method, we will get it as inconsistent. So from equation 1 we can find x as 0, 1, 2 and y as 6, 4, 2. Second equation we will have x as 1, 2, 3 and y as 0, 2, 4. So here is a graph in front of you guys. I hope it is clear and visible to you. On x-axis and there are x dash axis, y dash axis and y axis, and here is the point of origin. So on x-axis we have taken 3 and on y-axis we have taken 0. On x-axis we have taken 1 and on y-axis we have taken 0. On x-axis we have taken 2 and on y-axis we have taken 2. On x-axis we have taken 3 and on y-axis we have taken 4. This will be our first equation, that is 4x minus 2y is equal to 4, and second equation is on x-axis we have taken 0 and on y-axis we have taken 6. So it will be a second equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Moving to our fourth part, which says 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Again solving it by the same method. Here it is inconsistent because a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but they are not equals to c1 upon c2. Fifth question says half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. So it's very simple. We have to let the breadth of the garden be x and the length of the garden be y. So half of perimeter is 36, which is already given to us. So here we can make an equation, that is half bracket 2 into x plus y bracket close, which is equals to 36. So here we will have x plus y is 36. So further, length is 4 meter more than its width, that is y is equal to x plus 4. This will be our second equation. So from first equation we get x is equal to 36 minus y. So here our x value will be 0, 36, 16 and y values will be 36, 0, 20. And from second equation we have y is equal to x plus 4. So here x value will be 0, 8, 12 and y values will be 4, 8, 16. So it means both the lines intersect at 16, 20. That is 16 as x and 20 as 1y. So the breadth of the garden is 16 meter and the length is 20 meter. So now I'll show you the graph. So here is the graph in front of you guys. You can see the x-axis and the x dash axis, y dash axis and y axis. Here is the point of origin. So we have taken the two equations, that is y plus x is equal to 36 and y minus x is equal to 4. So on x-axis we have taken 8 and on y-axis we have taken 12. Again on x-axis we have taken 12 and on y-axis we have taken 16. On x-axis we have taken 16 and on y-axis we have taken 20. So it will be our first equation, that is y minus x is equal to 4. Further, on x-axis we have taken 0 and on y-axis we have taken 36. Here it will be a second equation, that is y plus x is equal to 36. Question number 6 says, given the linear equation that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pairs so formed is, first is intersecting lines. So given lines are 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Intersecting lines are x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0, which means a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. Second part says parallel lines. So given line is again 2x plus 3y minus 8, which is equals to 0, parallel to 4x plus 6y minus 9, that is also equals to 0. Here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but they are not equals to c1 upon c2. Third part says coincident lines. So again given lines are same, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8, which is equals to 0, and coincident to 4x plus 6y minus 16, that is equals to 0. Here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, which is equals to c1 upon c2. Question number 7 says, draw a graph of equation x minus y plus 1, which is equals to 0, and 3x plus 2y is equals to 12, and determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by these lines. So first equation we have x is equal to y minus 1, that is x 0, 1, 2, and y is 1, 2, 3. From equation second we have x as 4, 2, 0, y as 0, 3, 6. So here the vertices are minus 1, 0, 4, 0, 2, 3. So guys, this is the graph in front of you. I hope it is clear and visible to you. So on x-axis we have taken, and on x dash axis, y dash axis and y axis. And this is the point of origin. So we have to form a triangle, and this is the triangle formed by us. That is, on x-axis we have taken 4 and on y-axis we have taken 0. On x-axis we have taken 1 and on y-axis we have taken 0. On x-axis we have taken 1 and on y-axis we have taken 2. On x-axis we have taken 2 and on y-axis we have taken 3. So this will be our first equation, that is x minus y plus 1, that will give you 0. And another line that is on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. 4 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. And here 1 on y-axis and 0 on x-axis. 0 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis. So this is all from this exercise, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.